Diagnose from 1,000 miles away. SmartLink Remote Diagnosis. SmartLink Remote Diagnosis, the cutting-edge technology developed by LAUNCH, diagnoses and repairs vehicles without being on site. It offers a unique diagnostic solution to automotive aftermarket, improves repair efficiency, and reduces operation costs. SmartLink Remote Diagnosis is consist of three parts: SmartLink C, customer end; SmartLink B, service end; SmartLink Remote Diagnosis platform. SmartLink C, customer end, is for those technicians or auto repair shops without required knowledge or professional diagnostic tool to seek remote support from master technicians. Just connect SmartLink C to vehicle OBD socket and internet. Accept remote diagnosis support to get the vehicle issues fixed. SmartLink B, service end, is for those skilled technicians and specialists with professional scan tools to make extra income or increase revenue by providing remote diagnostic service. Connect SmartLink B to LAUNCH X scan tools, OEM scan tools, or any other diagnostic tool of different brands in the market and get the job done remotely. SmartLink Remote Diagnosis platform is a service website where SmartLink C, customer end, publishes remote diagnosis requests for help, and SmartLink B, service end, responds to the request and provides service. Through this platform, customers have the vehicle problem solved and master technicians created another revenue stream, which is a win-win cooperation for both parties. The SmartLink Remote Diagnosis is easy in operation. Only 4 steps required to complete the process. Step 1. Create an account at SmartLink platform. Step 2. SmartLink C customer end publishes request along with car information. Step 3. SmartLink B, service end, responds to the request. Step 4. Start the remote diagnosis after the confirmation talk by phone or message. SmartLink Remote Diagnosis is superior because it is simple. Only one SmartLink C device is required for customers to get various remote diagnosis services, no limit on diagnostic functions. It is comprehensive. SmartLink C device well supports both remote and local diagnosis on passenger cars or heavy-duty vehicles. It is compatible with J2534, CAN 2.0, DOIP, CAN-FD, and other comprehensive communication protocols. No limit on vehicle makes and models. It is unique. With SmartLink B, the service provider can take over the vehicle issue remotely no matter what kind of scan tools they own. LAUNCH scan tools, OEM tools, or other scan tools of different brands. No limit on diagnostic tools. SmartLink Remote Diagnosis break through the space limit and tools limit, makes the diagnostic process easier than ever. New revolution brings new chances. Join us to discover more possibilities.